Welcome back to Nailed It! Today I have this beautiful look for you all, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to recreate it. First, I'm going to start with the Luminary nail system, the color Peace, and I'm going to apply this on the bottom half of my nails, and then I'm not going to cure it because I'm going to blend it into another color. Now I'm going to go into the next color, which is Presence. It's this milky white color, and I'm going to apply this to the tips of my nails. And then after I'm done applying this, I'm going to use my ombre brush and I'm going to blend the two colors together. If you guys know anything about me, I do not know how to use builder gel in a bottle. It's just not my cup of tea. So I'm trying to get better at it because I really love the Luminary nail systems and I love their colors. Like, I think it's perfect for all skin tones. I feel like they have a very wide range, and so I really like their gels, and I like the consistency of it. I just can't get it. Like I think I just need to buy their pods and put it in a pod and just apply it like regular gel polish or my builder gel polish, because using their brush, I don't know what it is. You guys will see here, it's just a nightmare. Like, it's running down the sides and then it's not, and maybe it's me just being impatient and trying to do all of my nails. I should have just did a couple at a time, so that's what I wind up doing later, but you know, lesson learned. So now I'm going to go back into Presence and I'm going to add it to the tips of my nails and I'm going to blend it together. This is my second time doing this on these nails, so this is my second layer. And I think it turned out pretty good. Like, my right hand could be a little bit better. It can be blended a little bit better. But overall, I think it's a really good, fast, easy, the easiest baby boomer nails I've ever done personally. So, and they look really nice. So, you know, I just need to get better with my technique. So now I'm going to blend those colors together. Well, they're not really colors, but you guys get what I'm saying. I'm going to blend them together. And every time I cure it, I only cured it in my light for 30 seconds. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So what have you guys been up to lately? What have you guys been interested in? What kind of videos do you guys want to see? I feel like I've been gone for so long that I don't really know, you know, like the new latest nail trends and all that stuff. So I need to get back into it. So yeah, just let me know what you guys are interested in, what you guys are doing, how's your holidays going, or how they went, and all that jazz. My holidays was great. I just, you know, it being my son's first Christmas was everything. So he's just the cutest little baby ever. He's so good, guys. He's just the best. He's the best little baby ever. So I'm really blessed. I was really blessed to be with family and friends this holiday season, and for them to get to see, you know, my little one and his first Christmas. It was just great. And, you know, our first New Year's, it's just like, oh, it's just so cute. I just can't take it. So can you guys believe that my son is 6 months already? I can't believe it. It's just, everything is going by so fast. So crazy. But anyway, back to the nails. So I hope you guys know that I'm doing the same exact thing. I'm just taking the same two colors and blending them together to get my blend how I like it and how I think it looks good. So that's what I'm doing here. There's no really rhyme or reason to what I'm doing. I just, you know, put the gel on my nails and try to blend it the best of my ability. And then when I get it how I like it, I cure it in a light for 30 seconds. And yeah, I think they turned out pretty good, you know, for temporary baby boomer nails. Like, I think they're perfect. So let me know if you guys want to try this method, or if you guys have tried it, what works better for you when you're using builder gel in a bottle. Do you like it? Do you not like it? What's going on? So you guys can let me know down in the comment area. because I definitely need pointers and tips when it comes to builder gel on the bottle. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Kiara Sky top coat and I'm going to apply it on all my nails. As you guys can see, I went back and just defined my shape a little bit and filed and buffed my nails a little bit so that they weren't too bulky and, you know, uneven and have divots and all that stuff in it. I got rid of all that, so now we're applying the top coat. Once I'm done applying that, I'm going to cure it in my light for 60 seconds. And these are my final results, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the giveaway that I have going on my channel. Click that notification bell so you guys don't miss another upload from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.